Not really.
It's super bright?
No, I get it better. It's I can only get it to +1.
Oh, we don't have the mic, so we don't have the cord.
So this is useless.
No, it's camera mic. It just won't be that great.
That's clean water. Looks good. Still recording, I think.
It's fine. It'll be fine. All right, Dave.
Clayton, hold on.
Are you recording?
We're live.
All right, cool. So
Where are we?
well, Atlantic Motorsport Park.
Yep.
In Supertech.
Yep.
Nova Scotia, of course, and I've already been out for one session already, and car's working great, and we forgot to do an intro, so this is the intro.
Here, I'm gonna film like you do, so I get like the double chin.
No, do that. You just have a double chin.
No, that's not how it is.
I have a beard to cover it. So
We're here for lapping. There's racing going on today too, or qualifying
qualifying
for
practice.
racing. Yeah.
So yeah. Anyway,
Kayla's here too.
Yeah.
She's out running her Mark 7R because the R32 is on hiatus.
Didn't finish itself yet.
Didn't finish itself. Yeah, exactly. And Bart's here, disturbing everybody. Okay.
Right. So yeah, a few more minutes, and then I think we're back in, possibly.
Okay.
There's a red flag though, so I don't know.
Thing can't start on its own?
What's that?
Thing can't start on its own?
No, it has a shitty little battery in it.
And it hasn't been run since...
And I never charge it.
And it hasn't been run since last year?
No, it has. I moved it out in the air the other, like,
It's
couple months
good.
ago.
Well prepared.
Put the suspension on the...
Nut and bolted, everything?
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Totally fine.
Just taking it easy today.
Looks fancy in the... Do I look this good? Looking through this?
We're gonna get more subs now, or what?
Because you're on the screen or because I'm filming? Probably both.
Either one, yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna suit up.
Time to
suit
get...
up, I mean,
Get
put my
ready.
helmet on and get it.
Be safe.
Okay.
How was that? Hot?
Hot, and just started cutting out on a hard corner.
You're probably not down on the fuels.
What's that?
Down on the fuels.
Yeah, it sloshed around a bit, so the tank's only good for like
1 liter. Laps. So first real lapping session, how did it go?
Good. I just don't feel like I have a whole lot of grip in the front, but I might just be not smooth, and overworking the car. So first time out though. Yeah, it's good.
The car's literally sat since it came off the dyno.
Yeah, and literally.
Like literally, say.
Yeah,
And Clayton tells me that he's started it over the winter, but I don't even believe that.
I did. I moved it out to put the suspension on the Miata.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but no, it's good. It's good. Really good, actually.
Okay, cool.
It's way cooler being in boost and having an RPM.
To keep you going.
I doubt it'd be ripping it out. Yeah.
I haven't heard you hit shift cut yet.
Oh well, I'll make that next.
I mean, you want to gauge where it is, obviously, because for those following along, there's nothing in the car for tax or anything. I try to brighten this up here. I'm not a camera guy, but yeah, there's not a whole lot in there for to tell you what's going on. So it's all about guessing in this thing.
Back feels planted, but the front is just sort of pushing through everything. First run felt a little greasy, and some of the other guys were saying that the track doesn't have a whole lot of rubber down on it yet, so it's a little greasy out there, which I definitely felt. So let's make sure I don't stall this pulling away and go for another run.
How's that? Oh, I wanted you to keep it running so I could pull the log off it. You found the rev limiter. You just need to come back a little bit. Yeah, because you're just losing time sitting on it.
I know, not too bad though, like 2 bounces maybe, if that.
Yeah.
The back stretch.
The last one actually was your best one.
Yeah, the back stretch, I was trying to pass somebody I didn't want to shift because it gets bouncy. And it might have been on limiter a little bit.
Long?
No.
Still has all the valves in there?
Probably. These ones are good. So these ones are lifetime.
No, there was no any of that.
You promised lifetime.
No, I did not promise any of that.
You said these ones last forever.
No.
It's still warm.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
How was the lapping going?
Good.
Times? Would you time yourself?
I didn't time, no.
Oh.
But that one felt much better. So there's a couple slow laps in there.
Cool.
I got held up in traffic.
Held up in
It's,
traffic.
Yeah, by me.
held up in traffic.
Hold on, we gotta start that. GoPro, start recording.
Where's my mic? Oh. Mic check. Mic check. That's where I had it last time.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Well, this is the last session. My hands have been cramping up, so I'm going to try to not wear gloves this time because they're a little bit tight, so we'll see if that helps. I doubt it. Alright, so really just, it's an easy day. It's not a time attack. I am timing this one though. Yes.
How was it? Your only track day of
2021.
2021.
It was good.
The only one.
Bart, stop it. It was great. No complaints. Car ran awesome all day. And this is with last year's tune, which you want to clean up. So
Yeah,
really, there's lots.
Clayton didn't give me the time to do anything to it, so we just put the old file on it, and clearly it works.
I didn't really have the time because I was last minute, like
Yeah, I
always, and
guess.
everything I do. The car wasn't even ready. It was still on jack stands yesterday, so give it a quick go over and nut and bolt the whole thing. And anyway, it's really good. I do have to nut and bolt it now, but obviously I have all of this winter and next spring, and then right before a race day or a track day, then I'll do it then. So
Right.
lots of time, but I got to fix my front lip. Need a bigger fuel tank, I think.
Bigger wing.
I need a wing, yeah, and
Bigger wing.
maybe some put my front diffuser on
Oh,
once I
yeah,
need a
yeah,
bigger
yeah.
rear wing.
Okay.
So lots of stuff to do for next year, but really my focus now that this is going away is Kayla's car again, because she lapped the daily today.
Right. Not ideal.
And she had fun with it though, but it's not ideal exactly. So that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You're supposed to ask
so
me, is there anything else?
Is there anything else?
No, there isn't.
So I don't know the spiel.
I'm going to stare off into space like you do all the time.
Well, that's what you do.
Yeah.
Please make sure you like and subscribe. It means a lot to us, and like all the other YouTubers saying right now, the liking helps us, so like away. We got some new merch coming, so be sure to take a look for that. We'll obviously let you guys know when that's available, and please make sure you subscribe.
Ask any questions or comments?
Oh yeah, questions or comments, ask them below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay. You did a terrible job.
Thanks.